What if your ERP system provided all your users with that personal touch? One that allows them to simplify and customize their workspace to meet their individual needs, and one that surfaces the information they require as and when they need it. Syspro ERP has been designed with the end user in mind. To stay competitive, manufacturers and distributors know they need to enable the business and employees with the right software tools. However, end user adoption is a major concern when enabling and implementing a new ERP solution. Your users each have requirements of their own. The more relevant and enabling the solution is to a user-specific role and task, the more likely that they will use it, and the more productive and satisfying their experience will be.
Syspro ERP is relevant to and adapts to every user within your organization. It provides a personal touch by allowing users to simplify and customize their workstations to meet their individual role and needs, surfacing the information they require as and when they need it, without requiring any development. Syspro's innovative, highly configurable, fluid user interface allows users to easily modify the look and feel of any Syspro application and to extend business functionality. The interface is designed to adapt and change as requirements evolve, giving users the complete freedom to view required information within any Syspro application without the need for programming skills, all on a universal and familiar interface. Using Business Insights, you can ensure present visibility of each KPI or metric created for a role or for a function. It also provides information that is most pertinent to the user and places them at the center of their engagement within the system. You can establish a per-role workbench or work-to-list, giving users one view of everything they need in order to operate in their environment, taking in all their touch points from information to delivery, including shortcuts, particular views, conversations from social ERP, following specific information from social ERP, having all of the KPI metrics to show them how they are performing within their role. In a nutshell, Syspro ERP provides a simplified, user-friendly, familiar and personalized environment to all users within your organization.